So now I'm going to film the downtown Alexandria. It's good to be back in Africa. Everybody understands the language of corruption. You just go on, pay the due, and you'll be fine. You can get away with almost anything if you know who to give a bribe to. It's a way to do business down here. I guess it's the world over, it's just on what level. This is downtown Alexandria. Old buses, trash. I'm just gonna walk down. Anybody in uniform here will try to get money from you. I'm not gonna walk that far. It looks like there's a lot of military folks down there, so I'm gonna go back the way I came. In authoritarian states or countries, a man with a camera walking around is not the best thing. I wish I could walk to the other end. Seems like there's a lot going on down there. I'll see how far I can go. My driver gave me 10 minutes. You want me to? Just walking down the streets of Alexandria, Egypt. That's another dog across the street. The dogs didn't let me sleep yesterday on my street. They just barked all night, fought each other. You see, there's another dog. There are dogs everywhere. These guys drive crazy. Those are shops over there. This must be like a bus park. Lots of small mini buses. Oh, there's a beautiful park in the middle there. But I can't get to it from here. There's a nice park down there. Looks really well maintained. That's it for this video. I'm gonna try end it here. It's so busy here at the downtown area of Alexandria. If you like this video, you can go on and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can leave a comment. This is downtown Alexandria, Egypt. I've never seen so many Fiats, old Fiats. Even in Cuba, there weren't this many. I saw quite a few of Fiats and Ladas in Cuba, but this is